Good afternoon, LC people. We've been very busy again, myself and Julian Pugsley over there. All the bodywork's on the bike. There is a nose cone to go on it and an handlebar fairing, which are Pro-Am. There's a few bits I'm still waiting for it. There's a side stand to go on it. I'm waiting for a kickstart and a brake pedal for the other side. But all the bling's gone on. It's fought us a little bit here and there with the brackets for these Ig speeds. We've had to tickle them here and there. This side more than the other. The other was straight fit. This one didn't quite line up with the brackets. So we've done a few clever tricks and clever fixes on that. Lovely polished radiator, Halley radiator. The guy wanted his rad cover with his little logo in there. That's just gone on. And that's it for today really now. Been out here since 8 o'clock this morning, so we've had a full 8 hours. We've not stopped for dinner and we just wanted it done today. Okay. Fuel on. Julian, would you like to do the honours please, young man? She sounds very, very nice. I like the seat on it. It's in the style of Gilera, but obviously it's not banana down. And I quite like the look of that. Yeah, it's all going on. I think the relay wants looking at, but I have got another one. But everything's working, all the lights are going, look, you know, blah, blah, blah. And that is the LC virtually finished. I won't be doing another video on it. I don't see much point really. Steve's going to have to take it back in his van on Sunday after Stafford. Rather than me put the belly pan and the nose cone on with a potential that they could get damaged or his lack of room that he might have, I think it best he put them on when he gets it back home. And that's it really. 3 days, what was that? 24 hours. 24 hours. That's what it took from start to finish. And bearing in mind, in that time, there was a few bits that wanted fettling to make work and things that was awkward and difficult. You get those bits and pieces, don't you? But no, that's it. This is your part 6 of the Candy LC rebuild. Like I said in the other video, it's not going to be for the purists. You know, it wasn't going to be a nut and bolt restoration. All the parts that's gone on this and all the bits that's refurbished, Steve Pellant himself farmed them out to his various people down south for them to do. And basically, I didn't really have to paint anything or do a lot. Fettle the odd bit here and there with Julian's help. But yeah, I'm sure Steve will be very happy with it. It's a very tidy rider. And that's what we're going to say. Excuse me, somebody's trying to ring. But that's all we can say. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.